Dear students, the last video I explained how to solve a problem on fire insurance claims. In this video, I'm going to explain how to solve problem number 5. This question already appeared in the examination, which carries 12 marks. Please see problem number 5. A fire broke out in the warehouse of Twinkle Traders on 30th September 2020. The traders wish to file a claim with the insurance company for the loss of stock. Prepare statement showing amount to be claimed. In this problem, fire occurred in the year 30th September 2020. 2020 is considered as current year. Understand? Next. The last accounts of the traders were prepared on 31st December 2019. Information relating to last year also given in the problem. Sundry debtors on 31st December 2019, 40,000. Cash received from debtors from 1st January 2022, 30th September 2020, rupees 1,44,000. Sundry debtors on 30th September 2020, rupees 30,000. There are several information relating to sundry debtors. Understand? 3 information available. Next, stock on 31st December 2019, rupees 15,000. Purchase from 1st January 2020 to 30th September 2020, 1,25,000. Rate of gross profit on cost is 25%. All data relating to current year available in the form. All data relating to current year given in the problem. With this information, you have to prepare statement of amount to be claimed. In the problem I already told you all information relating to current year given. With this information, we have to prepare first step, memorandum trading account. Understand? Before preparation of a memorandum trading account, whether all information relating to memorandum trading account given in the problem or not, find out that one. Understand? Yes. Opening stock given, purchase given, no information relating to direct expenses, leave it. Okay, sales not given in the problem. Okay, but information relating to sundry debtors given in the problem. Problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ sales during current year ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, current year sale ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, but sundry debtors ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ information ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. With the help of this information, given relating to sundry debtor, we can find out sales made during current year. Okay, first of all, we have to prepare total debtors account. You already know this one. Okay, normally total debtors account prepared to find out credit sales. Okay. Yes, first we shall prepare total debtors account to find out credit sales. Yes, draw necessary column. Yes, sundry debtors on 31st December 2019 given 40,000. Okay, this is last year closing debtor becomes current year opening debtors. Understand? Write down. To balance brought down 40,000. Next, cash received from debtors from 1st January 2022 30th September 2020. 1,44,000 given when cash received from debtors. Entry debtors account. Entry cash account debtor to debtors account. Okay, write down credit side by cash account 1,44,000. 1,44,000. Completed. Next, debtors on 30th September 2020. That is closing debtors. Closing debtors recorded on credit side by balance brought down 30,000. By balance brought down 30,000. Completed. Next, all information recorded relating to total debtors. Okay, next find out which side shows more balance. Credit side shows more balance. How much? 1,74,000. 1,44,000 plus 30,000. How much? 1,74,000. Next, write it in debit side. 1,74,000. Find out difference. 1,74,000 minus 40,000. How much? Is it 1,34,000? Write it in on debit side. 1,34,000. The difference in total debtors account is considered as credit sales. Okay, when credit sale made entry debtors account debtor to sales account, write it in debit side in front of the total to sales or to credit sales. Write down to credit sales 1,34,000. Write in bracket balancing figure. Okay. Next, prepare memorandum trading account. In the middle of the page, write down memorandum trading account for the period ending 30th September 2020. Completed. Draw necessary column. Yes, please see. Problem, opening stock. Stock on 31st December 2019, 15,000 given. Last year closing stock becomes opening stock of current year. Write down debit side to opening stock 15,000. Next, purchases given. Purchase from 1st January 2020 to 30th September 2020, 1,25,000. Write down debit side to purchases 1,25,000. Write down debit side to purchases 1,25,000. Purchases over 1,25,000 over. Next, sales. Please see total debtors account. We already calculated credit sales 1,34,000. Write down by sales 1,34,000. Completed. Next, stock, opening stock over, purchase over, sales over. Next, rate of gross profit on cost is 25% given. Understand? rate of gross profit on cost given. Okay, if it is given on cost, then if we have to convert that into sales, on sales. Understand? Yes. Write down to gross profit. How much? 25% on cost equal to, you already know, 20% on sales. Understand? Write in bracket sales given in the problem. How much? 1,34,000. 1,34,000 into 20%. Into 20%. 1,34,000 into 20%. How much? Find out gross profit. Is it 26,800? Yes, write it. 26,800 gross profit. Okay, next find out which side shows more balance, whether it is debit side or credit side. Yes, debit side shows more balance. 15,000 plus 1,25,000, 1,40,000 plus 26,800, 1,66,800, 1,66,800. Okay, next write it in credit side. 1,66,800. 1,66,800 minus 1,34,000. How much? Is it 32,800? Okay, 32,800. Write it on credit side. 32,800. Okay, 32,800 is considered as closing stock. Difference in memorandum trading account is considered as closing stock. Okay, normally memorandum trading account prepared to find out closing stock. Closing stock is nothing but value of stock on the date of fire. Okay, write in front of total, write down by closing stock, write in bracket balancing figure, again write in bracket value of stock on the date of fire. Okay, next prepare statement of fire insurance claim. Draw two columns. Okay, one particular, one amount column. Okay, please take value of stock on the date of fire as starting point. Okay, how much? 32,800. Next, please see problem. Okay, stock salvaged given or not given. Okay, no information relating to stock salvaged. Okay, next write down less stock salvaged nil. Okay, next 32,800 minus 0 equal to 32,800. Okay, 32,800 is considered as amount of fire insurance claim. Amount of fire insurance claim. These are some information relating to problem number 5. Thank you.